Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. So in this video we are looking how to access Dominos wallet on your Dominos app. For that, just open the Dominos app and here you need to go to the profile option on the top right corner. Just go to the profile option right here. And here you can see the Dominos wallet right here. Just below the order history. Just go to the Dominos wallet option right here. And here you can see your Dominos wallet. So here we can also see the frequently asked questions. How can I use Dominos wallet? Just add items to your cart and eligible amount will be automatically deducted from the total. You just need to pay the difference if any. So you can see whole questions, frequently asked questions right here. So this is how we are accessing Dominos wallet on your Dominos app. So I hope this video was useful for you. So just do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.